IPCapital is a global company dedicated to providing a comprehensive suite of digital and asset service to the global user. We specialize in future fintech research and development such as quantitative trading leverage, AI trading system, cloud storage system, and enterprise management software. User and business come from 10 different countries, including the US, the United Kingdom, Canada, Singapore, Hong Kong, Taiwan, China, Nigeria, Cameroon, and Ghana. IPCapital is a fintech innovation firm that has seized a market opportunity that has been discussed for years. For the time being, we have launched two business industries, foreign exchange and blockchain. We will be introducing more business to everyone in the future. We will spearhead the global campaign to ensure that everyone have an equal playing field in the global finance market. Artificial intelligence makes life easier in this age of globalization. It truly provides a lot of convenience and opportunity to the market, and everyone enjoys it. As a result, we developed our own system, the AIA bot system, to analyze investment and trading patterns automatically and precisely based on specific techniques, setting, and preset algorithm. Almost everything we can think of has been redefined by the internet. We are doing things differently, forging new paths, and upending the status quo. IPCapital is a Canadian company with a regulatory license from the Canadian Finance Regulatory Agency, as well as a digital asset management license. In reality, we are a financial technology innovation firm whose vision and mission is to seek out and bring inspiration and motivation to every enterprise and aspiring entrepreneurs around the world. As a cutting-edge fintech firm, we are committed to assisting our global user and enterprise in realizing their full potential. We are constructing everything that you will require to survive in the financial market. Foreign exchange, which can be understood as one of the most stable markets that has been sustained in this financial world. One of the myths of the financial industry that never fall. This is why we focus on foreign exchange as the primary industry, and blockchain technology is one of the most recent trends in this financial industry. It is also our IP cloud wallet system which we created. With this, we are able to strive and achieve new goals. As our team will continue to strive for new opportunities and opportunities for IPCapital family, which is our goal. We will officially launch our global financial products and digital asset trading platform in 2021, offering global users a one-stop diversified financial service platform and digital asset management platform. In the future, we will continue to develop more industry, which may include traditional industries such as IP property, IP mall, and so on. As our technology and innovation improve, we will develop more industry as the market expands, and the result will astonish all our clients.